Chance events have an outsized influence on survival and success. Yet we also make decisions, whether guided by instinct or not, that create the opportunities necessary to succeed. For a bird, one of the most important is the moment it leaves the nest. Uncertainty awaits many birds when it is time to leave their nest, and for some, that time comes fast. Canada goose goslings exit the nest within hours of hatching. Leaving is a physically easy task for goslings hatched on the ground, but some Canada geese choose to incubate their eggs in vacant osprey and eagle nests. For those goslings, vacating the nest takes a bit of courage, even if mom and dad stand nearby. Other birds spend considerably more time in the nest. Young bald eagles remain in the nest for 70 to 80 days after hatching. When they finally leave, parent eagles ease the transition by providing food to the newly fledged offspring during the young bird's first month on the wing. Some young birds must take a lonesome first step. Atlantic puffins nest in burrows. Their chicks, affectionately called pufflings, exit their home burrow after about 6 weeks with only rudimentary and untested flying skills. No parents accompany a fledged puffin as it hops to the shore and enters the sea, where it will stay without returning to land for 2 or 3 years. Every organism experiences moments that guide future success and survival. When a young bird leaves its nest, a place which was up to that point in its life the only home it's ever known, we don't know specifically what it might feel or think, but we do know that this is a life-defining moment. Fledging birds enter a larger world where they will encounter new dangers and challenges, as well as freedom and opportunity.